Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, in this video, I want to just give you a quick little market update on what's going on in the markets right now. And we're just gonna have a bit of a, again, just a bit of market update. Gonna look at the indices and also silver and gold as well too. Now, before I start, guys, if you've been watching my YouTube videos for the last few weeks, leave me a comment below and let me know if you saw the videos where I was saying that, especially the Nasdaq is in a bullish looking, but it's actually a reversal flag. So let me know in the chat box below if you actually saw those videos over the last, I think it was last week and the week before. I was starting to say this thing looks like it's going to get a pullback here. And the reason why I'm saying that there, guys, is because not that I got the pullback right and all that sort of stuff, because who cares about that? What I'm trying to share with you is that if you saw those videos over the last few weeks, you'll be able to see that there's certain patterns that form in the markets that most people are not even aware of, right? When it comes to like, look like, for example here, right? This Nasdaq flag here. This is actually a bullish looking, it actually looks like a bull flag type thing, but it's actually a reversal flag. And you can see what's actually happened here, right? We started to drop out of this here as well. Same for the Dow Jones too. We got the reversal here, and also the S&P 500. Now, we got the reversal, okay? And we got that through there. Now, what's coming next? The really interesting thing is that it's really hard to say, but I don't believe that this is the end of the bull market. And the reason why I say is because we have now established a very nice bull market through here, and we're just gone through what? We're just gone through a nice healthy pullback in the markets. And so we've actually broken out of this, once again, broken out of this bullish looking flag, even on the S&P, and we're broken down. We have a long-term trend. We have a trend line coming through here right now on the S&P 500. Same for the Dow Jones as well too. Like, look at this here, right? So we're probably likely to find a bit of support around here somewhere, and possibly even continue up. What are we experiencing right now? We're experiencing just a nice, healthy pullback in an overall big bull market, right? And then also the Nasdaq as well too. Even though the Nasdaq is pulling back, what do we have with the Nasdaq? We have this sort of action happening, don't we? Where the market's getting very close to this long-term trend line. And excuse me, and now it looks like we're finding a bit of support here. Makes sense? So really interesting. Firstly, the bullish looking reversal flag did indeed actually work out in the markets, and we did indeed get a pullback here. I wasn't calling for a crash, just some sort of a pullback, because again, this is the way the markets work. So that's what's happening through there. Let's go have a quick look at silver and gold through here. The interesting thing with silver and gold that I'm seeing right now is it is really interesting to see what's happening here. We've had this move up, and we've had this very sideways choppy market, right? Again, not really much going on through here. The 52 moving average is catching up here, so it looks like the 52 moving average is, think about it as a time barometer. If it gets too far away, we need to wait for the moving average to catch up. But once the moving average catch up, then we could start to see another run as well too. Same for this weekly chart, right? This weekly chart's still continuing up through here. So the way that I'm looking at this now is that I was expecting some sort of a pullback, or actually pullback or a sideways movement. That's exactly what we've been getting here, haven't we? Pretty much just a sideways movement, or rather a pullback. So when we're looking at this here, it does look, it's really difficult to say, but what's happening right now, once again, this moving average, because it's catching up, it's saying that price is getting ready to go for another run, and same for silver, right? So what's happened with silver? Silver's actually getting a bit more of a decent pullback than gold. But what's happening here with silver? Silver, right, is just continuing to go sideways. Maybe it's going to wait for the moving average to catch up, and then when it does, maybe it's going to go for another run there. But as you can see, right, that's why I've been doing videos over the last, say, week or so, saying that I'm expecting some sort of a pullback or a sideways movement in the markets to let the market reset itself, and the way we go. So there we go, guys. A bit of a market update for you guys. As I was saying before, that overall, guys, we're looking at these markets here, and excuse me, and I wouldn't be too surprised if we saw a continuation of this bull market for a while. But obviously, the market will start to tell us if we're gonna start that downturn. The market is, we're not starting the downturn just yet. Okay, so if you're trying to pick a top, please don't try and pick a top. All right, guys, I hope this helped you out. Also, guys, I'm running a bit of a special here. I have a coaching program where every single week I'm coaching you. You get access to a live Facebook group where every single day I'm sharing with you my trades and everything like that when it comes to the stock market, trading options, Forex and futures market, and so on and so forth. I teach you my #1 trading strategy and all that sort of stuff. I have just recently got one of the best news ever when it comes to my trading. Over the last 10 years, I've been very, very fortunate that my last financial year has been an amazing, amazing year. And so I'm running a bit of a special here as a celebration to that. So the very first person, my coaching program right now is closed, okay? And I normally charge $10,000. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. I normally charge $10,000, but it's closed right now. It's only a small group. It's only a real small group. It's not like thousands of people in the group. It's only a small group. So if you're interested in getting access to my #1 trading strategy and having me there coach you every single day through the Facebook group and getting access to the live coaching calls every single week and so on and so forth, then I'm running a special just for $2,000. You can get access to that for the rest of this year. So you literally have, what's that? 4 months: August, September, October, November, December, actually 5 months, right? So you get 5 months of full coaching to help you finish this year off strong. So if you want that special, it's only for the very first person. If you want that special, very first person only, then email me at howtrader@gmail.com, HOWELL, trader, TRADER, trader@gmail.com. Very first person gets that special. And then if I'm happy to sign you up, then you'll get access to that special, and then we'll get started straight away to helping you and coach you so you can finish this year off strong. So if that's you, then email me at howtrader@gmail.com.